Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is February 23rd. Very quiet overnight market, especially for a Sunday night, Monday type trade. You're probably going to expect that for the grains throughout this entire week. Expect this lighter trade. May end up pushing these markets back and forth and maybe keeping them in a range for the week. Not a lot of news to report out for grains in general, but we'll see how we work this week. But down a penny for corn overnight, beans up 2 3/4 cents. Wheat market down 3/4 cent there. Something that is coming up here, though, we are starting our Allendale 26th annual acreage survey. That does start today, goes till March 6th. So get us your numbers. Be glad to take those. We are going to compile as much as we can here and get you some results by March 11th. So we want to certainly get you guys the best information that we can, and certainly could use your participation in order to get these numbers as accurate as possible. Also, tomorrow we've got our Ag Leaders webinar series continuing. We're going to talk early acreage thoughts. How is managed money being positioned going into this acreage report here at the end of March? And can the weather impact planning decisions as we go forward? So a lot of good information going to be talked about tomorrow. That is a webinar that is free. Go right online and sign up for that. We've got some other news out there. Harvest in Brazil, 18.5% complete versus 23 average, so a little bit slower, but they are expecting to see some more rains that may keep pace down a little bit and slow things down a little bit as far as their harvest. Now, as I mentioned, not a lot of news out there on the grains. Probably going to be watching some of these outside markets. Very quiet this morning as well. So we'll see if there is any impact there. But on livestock, cattle, we did have a cattle on feed report out on Friday. Numbers came in slightly bearish for cattle on feed. Cold storage numbers, though, certainly bearish. Confirmed 490.93 million pounds in storage for the month of February versus 471 for January. So higher than expectations as well. We did see cash cattle trade $3 lower on last week, so on Friday. That's a 160. So $3 lower there. Box beef, choice up 39, select up 108. So we are expecting to see cattle maybe open up a little bit lower here this morning. Now, also remember, though, that we did finish limit down there on Friday, so a lot of this could have been played in already. Looking at the hogs, cold storage report for hogs, bearish as well. 596.53 million pounds in storage. The average guess was 572. So looking at that, we may have we'll see if we can offset some of this negative news with the talk of the port strike finding some kind of resolution. So the labor unions reached a 5-year deal on Friday, basically putting the port workers back to work over the weekend and smoothing things out a little bit. So that may be some positive news for the hogs to kind of counterbalance some of the negative news as far as cold storage. Cutout values were down 82 cents as well, but we need to find some kind of positive news yet for hogs. Maybe we've gotten it out of this port strike as well, so we'll see if we can get any further strength here today. So give us a call, get online. We'd be glad to hear your numbers as far as acreage out there. You can either give us a call, 800-262-7538, or you can go right online, give us those numbers, and submit those online at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.